What is your favorite thing about getting ready to move or preparing your home for the market? Well, I can tell you one of my least favorite things, and I think many of my clients would agree with me, it's having to deal with all those half-empty paint cans, aerosol cans, motor oil, brake and transmission fluid, paint thinner, oven cleaner, stripper, pesticides, poisons, and chemicals. They're always the last thing to go, or they're left behind with the excuse that, oh, the new owners will want to match these colors. Of course they will. Well, luckily the City of Prescott is once again providing its free annual hazardous waste pickup. This year, 2024, it's March 4th through the 29th, and registration has already begun. Even if you're not selling your home or moving, this is the perfect time to safely and properly dispose of those problem items. All you need to do is go to the City of Prescott website, www.prescott-az.gov, click on Departments, and scroll down to Trash and Recycling. Click that link, and then scroll down again to Annual Free Pickup. To register, just fill out the required information, select the date of your normal trash pickup, and check off the items you'll be disposing of. Hit Submit, and the city will then reach out to you to let you know when to place your items at the curb. Now, this service is for residents only. Businesses are not eligible. Also, no non-hazardous items will be picked up. Be sure to read the city's page for more detailed instructions and information. Now, there's a space on the form asking where you heard about the service, so be sure to mention this video. My name is Ered Matthew, and I'm with the Pareja Group, one of the top real estate teams in Prescott, Arizona. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to tap that little bell so you can stay up to date with everything going on in and around Prescott. As always, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Cheers.